The next method is called insert, and it's going to be a public method. So public function insert, and we're giving it a table name, null by default, and then array, also null. Okay, array, first of all, we go for this insert array. We're preparing everything for our insert statement, and then we check if is an empty table and is an empty array, otherwise return false. But if both have something assigned to them, then SQL, we start with the SQL insert into a table name here, in between a curly brackets, and outside of them we have a back single quotes, and then we have the opening bracket before the closing double quote. Then we go for SQL again, concatenating, so dot equal implode, and we go for our basically first what we're going to be using as a glue, which is a comma and space, then our array, and we take in the index 0, which was fields. Then we go for SQL dot equal, and we concatenate with the closing bracket, and then we have values. Then we go for another SQL concatenating, this time with implode. We're going to use the glue comma again with the space, and then array index 1. As you may remember, index 1 contains the placeholders, so the question marks, and then SQL dot equals, we're closing the bracket for the values, and then semicolon. Then we go for the return so let's go for the return variable equals this, and we go for execute. We pass the SQL as first parameter and array index, third index, which is basically number 2 with all the values. And now we check if return is true, then this ID equals this get last insert ID, and then return true. Otherwise, we're going to return false. And that's everything inside of the insert method.